Hi, my name is Charles Cornier. The title of my presentation is What's Next? A Vision of Schools that Incorporates Online Learning. As schools start to embrace the emergence of online learning, the possibilities of transforming our schools are endless. Of the four broad sets of activities, the most important ones for my community and school district are: number one, fun with friends and extracurricular activities; number two, deeper learning; number three, self-care; and number four, wraparound services. Emergence of online learning I chose as the most critical component for students to be fun with friends and extracurricular activities. The students are overly excited about spending their time doing what they love to do, their interests, their hobbies, and activities. And I see this firsthand during the school day, where we call Bulldog Hour. Basically, Bulldog Hour is an hour set aside just for students to pursue their own club choice, their own hobbies, and their activities. Some of the activities for Bulldog Hour are guitar, choir. They could join FCCLA. They can do FCA, Fellowship of Christian Athletes. They could join the knitting club. They can also do puzzles and games and so forth. Also, with the emergence of online learning, the students can take advantage of the athletics program, and they can get more trained, more equipped in their specific sport, whether it's football, basketball, cheer, or etc. Also, with the emergence of online learning, the students can take advantage of the arts program, and they can spend more time in theater. They can spend more time developing the stage with stage crew, and they can also spend time in the choir. Also, one of the reasons that I picked fun with friends and extracurricular activities is for the unique clubs of the student's choice. The students can develop their interest in robotics, which is the Project Lead the Way course. They can join Student Council. They can also join NHS, National Honors Society. The second component is deeper learning. I picked deeper learning for a variety of different reasons. One, the project-based learning, the discovery learning, hands-on learning, the career shadowing, the internships, the Herndon Summit Tech, photography courses, and the culinary arts. For the project-based learning, the students can go deeper in the specific activities. They can get a little bit deeper in the projects, the community aspect. Deeper in a particular subject matter. It's very difficult when students are learning the concepts, learning the ideas. However, as they learn online, it'll free up time in class to do activities that are relevant, activities that are interesting. So in these particular photos, we see students working in their history class and their English teacher, and they're working on projects to advocate for the community. As students also complete their online mandatory classes, They can go deeper in their learning by career shadowing. They could take internships where they can learn a specific trade, um, such as being a computer technician or a nurse assistant, to name a couple of careers that they can shadow. As students also complete their online courses, they can go deeper in a couple of different schools within the school. It's called Herndon and Summit Tech. Herndon, they can learn a career. At Summit Tech, they can learn a technical trade. And these can go deeper as they learn their courses online. The third component that I ranked was self-care. As again, students complete their online courses, they will have time, and the school will have resources and time to avail to students for their personal well-being. A couple of the components that we have incorporated in our high school are the 21st Century After-School Tutoring Program, where we provide a late bus for students to acquire specific skills in English, mathematics, and science. Also, we have a after-school snack shop, and students could take advantage of getting their after school, maybe a mid-dinner or late lunch from the school. We also have an A+ program where it provides tutoring for students. Also, it provides scholarships for students. We have the free and reduced lunch programs, and the nurse has toiletries and personal items available for students. As the school becomes a resource for the students in the community, the students could take advantage of acquiring toiletries and or personal items. They can also take advantage of some of the resources provided from the community for the students at the school, such as different food items, different clothing, and different resources available, such as getting school supplies or even getting a haircut in the beginning of the school year. Again, as students complete their work online, it frees up the school to provide programs like the A+. An A+ program is a scholarship program for students to better themselves and to better their families. The scholarship provides a two-year scholarship to any of the local community colleges. Once again, as students complete their online courses, resources are available for students to acquire food and nutrition. At Grandview High School, we have a program called the Bulldog Snack Shack, where students can acquire nutrition, food for the evening as their parents are working the second or third shifts. Finally, the last component for the different activities as students complete their online courses is the wraparound services. It's last, but it's by no means least. The wraparound services that we provide at Grandview High School is the cornerstones of mental health services. We also provide sports physicals. We do First Friday Fresh Fruit. We do community workshops for parents and legal guardians on various topics such as college and career, opportunities, the internet, and different parental guidelines. We also provide job fairs for students and college fair for students. As the school becomes more available, because the resources are not going into specific textbooks or even different teachers, we can allocate funds for the Cornerstones of Care, which is a partnership with parents in the community that endorse safe and healthy communities. Cornerstones of Care provides many services, and one of the services that many of the community members take advantage of is the mental health services. Again, as time is available and resources are available, the school provides sports physicals for all the athletes for free. The students are provided opportunities for jobs, and the students are provided opportunities for college. As students learn online, the school building becomes a resource for friends to gather together and for students to obtain a purpose in their specific interests and hobbies, and through different sporting activities provided at the school. I believe that there's obviously some potential barriers and drawbacks to this first component. I think one of the barriers that I see is the talented and service-oriented people that make all these activities and interests possible. Without the lack of people, many of these activities, many of these programs cannot exist. Also, I see some of the potential barriers is the space within our school. There's just not enough space for all these activities to happen, for students can actually grow and thrive in. Overall, what's next? A vision for schools that incorporates online learning. Again, I believe that the possibilities are endless as students take advantage of learning online, and the school being a resource for students to develop mentally, socially, spiritually, and physically.